Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your skate shop. Now, if you've randomly just stumbled across this video on YouTube and you're unfamiliar with the Marty Sites service, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a one-page website. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, skate shop. I'm now going to select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our skate shop so it can generate a one-page website for us. I'm now going to put in my company name, Rochelle's Skating Goods, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address and move along. Great. Where is our skating shop located? Let's pop our email address in over here as well as our postal code, and it's going to click continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday because Sunday is for skating. So I'm going to leave that day off and say we closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review. Make sure everything is in order. Are our hours all correct? Yep, everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm now going to click on next and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a one-page website with my details I've just put in. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've put quite a lot of information in there as a guideline, or you can actually leave it. It's suitable for a skate shop. And we've pre-selected all the images for you. And as you can see, they are all high quality images. They're not blurry or look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. And the great thing about it is all these images are completely royalty free. There's no licenses needed whatsoever to use them. However, maybe you've got your own images for your skate shop. Perhaps you're a professional skater yourself and you've got pictures of yourself doing really funky tricks. Go ahead and upload them here, and the content as well, it can be amended. Maybe you want to make a few adjustments. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process just so you can see how easy it is to use this platform. You don't need to know any coding at all or be a web developer or even hire a web developer. It's that simple. You can literally do this all yourself. So I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom and give you a little bit of a look and feel. So I'm going to hit to update section at the top, and first thing I'm going to do is say show email on sites. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. So it's easy for my customers to get in touch with me. Let's save our location and head to update social links. So over here we can put in our social media platforms, and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner over here. So customers can easily click on them, be taken to my social media platforms, give me a follow, and just see what my skate shop is up to. Maybe I'm hosting some events and stuff like that. Let's make sure we click save, close, and let's move along. I'm now going to hit to update section over here and go over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. If you don't have a logo and you really want one, but you don't have this huge budget to hire a designer, do check out the canva.com website. There are some great options on there. I'm now going to head to browse and browse my device because I do have my own logo, my Mighty Sites logo, which I'm now going to upload. I'm now going to save our logo, and as you can see, it's now displayed in the top left hand corner. We can make it bigger or smaller to suit our needs. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger. Awesome, and let's move on. Now with the Mighty Sites templates for your website, we've also pre-selected the colors. You can see this is quite a lovely purple. However, maybe in your signage throughout your skate shop or on your logo and your branding, business cards, stuff like that, it's not quite this color and you'd like everything to be the same color. You don't need to know any color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket over here on the bottom right corner and go through the various different colors available. So I'm going to select that one. I think it's really awesome and it goes with my branding. Save it, and as you can see, it's now used throughout my page. Look at that. Great. On to the next section over here. I'm going to hit update section. And like I said, pre-written copy, images pre-selected. But if you want to amend them, it's super simple. All you need to do is click on update image and go ahead and browse from your device if you have your own professional looking images of your skate shop. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Mighty Sites will automatically search for a skate shop, but you can play around with the terms a little bit. Like you can also put in skater perhaps and just see what pops up. Although I do know that shoe range that it's just displayed, I do know that's quite popular in the skating community. That's why it keeps popping up. But let's just take a look. That one's really awesome. I think that's great. Let's select that photo and save the image selection. Look at that. That actually looks really great. Now hit update content. Feel free to change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button can link to various places. So at the moment it says get in touch, but I'm going to go ahead and change this to get directions because I want people to easily find my skate shop. I'm now going to choose a link. You can link to another website if there's one in particular you'd like to link to. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call, directions. So I'm putting mine as that one. Clicking confirm, and there is an option for a PDF file as well. So when your customers click on that button, it can automatically take them to the PDF file. Now that is a great option if you want to put perhaps your current promotions or specials in a PDF format and just update it when it changes. Go ahead and link it over there. Let's go ahead and click on save, and now let's move it along. Over here again, pre-written content, image. The button can be linked to various places. Head to update section to make those changes. Over here, we made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your skate shop came to be, maybe your background in skating. Are you a passionate skater yourself or a professional skater? That's why you've opened the store. Maybe a little bit more details of the team running the show behind the scenes. Do you often host skateboarding events? Go ahead and pop all those details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for an image, which I'm actually keeping it as is because it looks awesome. And I'm now going to move along. Over here, again, another great spot for a high quality image. Upload one of your own, browse from your device, or choose one from the photo library. Remember, they are all completely free to use. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different brands you offer, perhaps. Maybe you also sell like roller skates, safety gear, skateboard decks. Do you offer competitive pricing? Go ahead and pop all the details over here so your customers know exactly what they can get from your store. Another image over here, go ahead and click on updates to change it, upload one of your own, or choose one from the photo library. If you need to make any amendments to those hours again, or the address, physical location, need to change that button, all you need to do is click on update section over here. So look at that. I've literally gone through my Marty Sites page website for my skate shop in literally less than 10 minutes. It's been such a breeze to edit and go through. I'm not super tech savvy. I have absolutely no idea how to code. Wouldn't be able to code if you paid me. And it was so easy to actually go through this website. I actually feel like a little bit of a web developer now. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month. There is that free trial available for 7 days, and you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So, click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial. If you do have a custom domain already, you can click on this button over here and connect your domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide, as well as a guide on our blog, which is over here. Let's take a closer look. You'll also find some great small business marketing tips and advice to market your small business online. If you don't have your own domain yet, we're happy to announce at Mighty Sites you can literally purchase your domain now through the Mighty Sites platform. All you need to do is click on the connect your domain and go through the various options and select your new domain. Awesome. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. And don't forget the thumbs up for this video.